How to activate Facebook account after deactivating. So the first step is very simple. You just simply open your Facebook app and then go ahead and click on log into another account. So what you're going to do here is to type in your mobile number or your email, or you may also type in your username of your Facebook. And then you should also type in your password and simply log in with your account. Once you hit login, it will just pop up that you have reactivated that your Facebook account, and the process is pretty simple, so there are no additional steps needed for you to activate your Facebook account. However, you may only deactivate your account for I think 30 days, and if that um 30 days will exceed, then Facebook might have removed or deleted your Facebook account afterwards. So that's it. That's how you can activate Facebook account after deactivating. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.